Okay, so every time when you see the expression for ln, okay, remember this, please. If I have ln a to the power n, then I will write as n ln, hold on, a, correct? If I have ln a times b over c times d, I break. Are you clear? You have to do this first. So I'm going to explain how to do part B, question 4. Okay, 4B, So 4B, you are given fx equal to ln x times x squared plus 1. Correct? So I will break it into ln x plus ln x squared plus 1. This one cannot change. The second one cannot change anymore. Okay, now I'm in this form already. I'm ready to find the rate of change. That's it. So you don't have to make it to become a single fraction. It's fine. Just leave your answer like that. Are you clear? Okay, so same go with C and D. Okay, let me do part D for you to have a look. So for part D, I will break it into 3. That is ln x cubed. The other 2 is at the bottom, correct? So you write down negative ln, put in the bracket, you know you cannot change it anymore. Yeah, ln x minus 1. Are you clear? Then the 3, you bring it to the front first. Yeah, multiply first. Okay? So you can take that as you don't have to rewrite it. You can just put inside here. Then after that, you can straight away write down your f prime x will be 3 times. You differentiate ln x. X put at the bottom. Derivative of x is 1. All right? Take away. The fx is x plus 4. Derivative of x plus 4 is 1. Take away. X minus 1. Derivative for x is 1. And you know that Miss Do always like to put 1 minus x instead of x minus 1. Do you know the reason? Yeah, to make sure you must write down the derivative of the coefficient, the derivative of the fx on top. Right? Okay? Can? So please, whenever you see ln, you make sure you change it to these 2 forms first before you find the rate of change function. Clear? Okay, those just came in, please key in your attendance. I think you still can key in. Okay, clear? Okay, let's have a look at question 7. Shall we? Okay, question 7. Okay, question 7 is also you have to use products rule. Okay, for question 7, correct? If I want to do, I would do it. Okay, try not to. Okay, so fx equal to ax times ln x plus b. I purposely bracket it to tell you that this is the u. This whole thing is the u. And this whole thing is the v. Okay, if anyone want to take s X as a U also can, but you have to write A at outside first. Okay? So you use your products rule to get the equation first. Because they got give us the information, two information. One is talking about the fx. One is talking about the f prime x, correct? F prime 0. So in order to use this, so I straight away find the derivative for f prime x first. Okay, please do that using your products rule. So I'm going to teach you how to get the answer of the simultaneous equation. Okay, whoever need to write UV, please do so. And I will always put in the bracket. Correct? So your f prime x will be equal to this way first. Okay, so A ln x plus B. Okay, plus A x times 1 over x plus B. Done. Okay? So now your job is substitute x as 1. So if I substitute x as 1 from here, because this is talking about fx, then this one you substitute x as 0. This is talking about f prime x. So when I substitute x as 1, I will have A times 1 times ln 1 plus B. The answer is equal to half ln 3. Okay? Got it? So you don't decide to do anything first. We see how is the second one go, then we decide. So the second one will be A ln 0 plus B, because they give us f prime 0, correct? Plus A times 0, 1 over 0 plus B. You substitute first, then only you decide half ln 2. All right? So this will be A ln B equal to half ln 2. Okay, how am I going to solve this? So there are two ways. You can make a comparison. Then I will decide whether that is the right answer or not. Okay, so I can make a comparison from here. Here is a ln. Here is also got ln. All right. This is A. This is half. This is B. This is 2. So I try to conclude my A is half and B is 2. So I cannot be sure whether this is the right answer or not. I have to substitute into the first one. See whether my left-hand side equal to right-hand side or not. Do you get me? If you want to solve by comparison, you make sure it is also true for the first one. So therefore, the first one, left-hand side. So I sub my A as half. And I sub my B as 2. So I also get half ln 3 equal to the right-hand side. So therefore, the solution is this. Are you clear? You don't have to really go and solve it. You can compare. But after you compare from the first one, you have to test it onto the other one. Then only you can make the conclusion. Are you clear? Okay. So I'm teaching you the other way of solving. So it doesn't mean that everything's simultaneous equation, you must use substitution method. You can use this method. But if I substitute into the first one that is not correct, then I better do something else. Do you get me? Okay. Answer your question? Is that the answer from the back of the book? I think so. Can you please check? You want me to show you algebraically how I solve this? Okay. A ln 1 plus B. So I have equation A ln 1 plus B is equal to half ln 3. And the other one is A ln B equal to half ln 2. A ln B equal to half ln 2. Okay, you see how I do? Okay, now I can say that, wait, let me think of how to tell you first. Or long time, long cannot. At the end, you also have to compare. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, when you solve simultaneous equation, there is another method you can divide. So I can say equation 1 divide by equation 2. So I have ln 1 plus B over ln B is equal to ln 3 over ln 2. Okay, so from here I can make a conclusion. B is equal to 2. Bottom equal to bottom, top equal to top. So that is a fraction. Yeah. Can? So when you solve simultaneous equation, you also can one equation divide by another equation. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Any other question? You on a lot of simplification. There's one question. Okay. There's one question. Which SAT is that? Practice. Practice 1. There's one question I got give you. Okay. Why? I just write down part of it. Y equal to E 2 ln 2, is it? 2 ln x. Okay. So remember, still remember I told you that if I have e to the power of ln anything, the coefficient here is 1. So the answer can be simplified as whatever in the ln. Am I right? So you bring the 2 up here. So this will be e ln x squared. So actually this is x squared. Clear? So please master this formula. If not, you will be in trouble on simplify and you will do know what to do. So all the simplification skill that I have taught you, you better memorize by heart. Especially this one. Right? So you see, now you can find your dy dx, which is 2 times x. So that's why I say Monday and Tuesday, you better attend the class. Your test paper is inside my bag. You want to see? You hijack my bag. You hijack my bag. You don't believe me? I can show you when you hijack my bag. Nah. Ooh, no way. The paper is here. I want to send for printing. How many pages are? 1, 2, 3. Cannot be 4. No. Hey, what happened? Oh no. Here. Yeah, wait. Cannot be 4 pages only. Ha. Cannot be 4 pages, should be 6. Because they are someone still cannot be. Really? Let me check. Cannot be 4 pages only. Uh-oh. Where are the other 2 pages? Oh, I have to go back and check. Luckily, I didn't send for printing. Huh? No. Thank you. Okay. It should be 6 pages. 4 pages. 5 pages. Correct. 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pages. 4 questions. Yeah. You must know how to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. 5 pages. Correct. Nothing wrong with it. Okay. Keep in my bag. Yeah. Okay. Any more questions? So just ask. Yes. Go to review 2A. Review 2A, question 15. Okay. Part B. Y equal to x e to the power negative x. Okay. So you are supposed to use products rule. So dy dx. So you use products rule. Okay, your u is equal to x. U is x. V is e to the power negative x. Okay, let's see. So u prime will be equal to 1. V prime will be equal to e to the power negative x times negative 1, correct? Okay, so this will be negative e to the power negative x. Got it? So we put it into the products rule, cross and plus. So it will be e to the power of negative x plus times 1. So I didn't put times 1. Plus u v prime. Okay. So it will be e to the power negative x minus x e to the power negative x. Okay, I want to teach you how to do the shortcut for the second derivative. So d2y over dx squared means you differentiate this, take away the differentiate of this. Are you clear? That is the meaning of d2y over dx squared. Clear? Okay. So if you differentiate exponential term, you will get e to the power negative x times negative 1. Am I right? Take away. The differentiation of this is here. You just copy down. See? You have to observe. So the derivative for this is e to the power negative x minus x e to the power of negative x. Close. Am I right? That is called second derivative. The first derivative, there are 2 terms. One of the terms is similar to y. See or not? So your answer will be negative e to the power negative x minus e to the power negative x plus x e to the power negative x. So take away 1, take away 1, take away 2. Am I right? Take away 1, take away 1, take away 2. All right? Okay? So if you want to make it, factorize it also can. So I will write it as e to the power negative x, x minus 2. Got it? So you must be smart enough not to do this again. See or not? So that's why when whatever you do in maths, don't rush. Look carefully. Actually, it saves a lot of time. I just need to ponder 2 or 3 seconds. It saved me 2 or 3 minutes. That's why quiet down yourself and do your work is very important. Okay?